You crossed the line. Wheel this meat out of here.
Jake! What the hell is going on here?
You let me down, son. So what? You find yourself some local tail and you just completely forget what team you're playing for?
Parker, there is time to salvage the situation. Parker,
Shut your pie hole!
Or what? Ranger Rick, you gonna shoot me?
I can do that.
You need to muzzle your dog.
Yeah, can we just take this down a couple of notches, please?
You say you want to keep your people alive? You start by listening to her.
Those trees were sacred to the Omaticai in a way you can't imagine.
You know what? You throw a stick in the air around here, it's gonna land on some sacred fern, for Christ's sake.
I'm not talking about some kind of pagan voodoo here. I'm talking about something real, something measurable in the biology of the forest.
Which is what exactly?
What we think we know is that there's some kind of electrochemical communication between the roots of the trees, like the synapses between neurons. And each tree has 10 to the 4th connections to the trees around it. And there are 10 to the 12th trees on Pandora.
Which is a lot, I'm guessing.
It's more connections than the human brain. Get it? It's a network. It's a global network, and the Na'vi can access it. They can upload and download data, memories, at sites like the one you just destroyed. Yes.
What the hell have you people been smoking out there? They're just goddamn trees.
You need to wake up, Parker.
No, you need to wake up.
The wealth of this world isn't in the ground. It's all around us. The Na'vi know that, and they are fighting to defend it. If you want to share this world with them, you need to understand them.
I'd say we understand them just fine, thanks to Jake here. Hey, Doc, come take a look.
They're not gonna give up their home. They're not gonna make a deal. For a light beer? Some blue jeans? There's nothing that we have that they want. Everything they sent me out here to do is a waste of time. They're never gonna leave Home Tree.
So, since a deal can't be made, I guess things get real simple. Jake, thanks. I'm getting all emotional. Might just give you a big wet kiss. Talk to me, Lyle.
Looks like they hit with Banshees first. See the angle steep? Set the amp suit on fire. Driver's toast.
The rest of the squad?
6 bodies, that's all. The equipment's totaled.
Jesus Christ.
I'll do it with minimal casualties to the indigenous. I'll drive them out with gas first. It'll be humane. More or less.
All right, let's pull the trigger.
Come on, people. Let's pack it up. Let's go.
This is how it's done. When people are sitting on shit that you want, they make them your enemy. So then you're justified in taking it.
Quaritch is rolling the gunships.